Dude, no, the lights like went dark, like totally.
Yeah, that's what happened to us already.
Yeah, it already happened to us. It didn't happen.
Yeah, it is just like right here. And then Demogorgon twitches and shit. I'm like, Demogorgon, not twitching.
Oh!
Dude. My god.
Focus, you crappy.
Huh?
Man, I got him a flashlight for this one now. Alright, never mind. Oh, look, the lights are turning back on. Right there.
Yeah. Cause of what?
We got like three teenagers right here. Just looking.
Yeah.
You're not even the TV.
I am, who cares?
Who cares?
Okay, listen to a teenager. At least I'm walking the
Oh
world.
shit, damn.
Oh!
Oh.
The tacos are happening!
Same. This is hope my parents don't come. So
What? Tacos, dude, what?
Oh, it's getting cold.
Oh.
Damn, that's really hanging out.
You know what? No. No, what is it? No, I have space here.
It's awesome. There's there. We can open the garage door right here.
No, it's gonna wet it.
No.
I'm gonna go get this place.
Holy shit! Go inside! Holy shit! You're like,
Oh, man, that water is so cold.
I know. It's freezing water.
No, it's just me and my cousin.
Holy shit! Live action over there. Dude, Gorgon's coming out now. Oh, I really did. I'll be right back. I'll be back. As you can see, the light comes back on.
I'm gonna go put on the jacket real quick. Oh, no. Oh, grab it.
You grab it. Hey guys, it's me. I'm actually doing this. Had no typical reason why I'm doing this. Who cares? So. banana. Dude, I just got another one.
Dude, you jacked it away. Move.
I'll go back again. There's a car. Car's a car. Driving over there. Hey guys, the lightning struck up in the air. Well, Crystal, it's not that raining over here. It's not raining over here. Look, see? Perfect. Not bad. That's why I was right here for a reason. If it gets too windy, I'm gonna go like this.
Yeah, I'm going back. I'm going back. Let's get out.
There's a lot of cars.
Yeah, you should worry about mom and dad.
Dude, they're not gonna come back. Like that. What they say? Bro? Oh shit. We got something right here, guys. It's not a satellite, dude. Satellites don't look like that.
A helicopter?
Yeah, it's probably a helicopter or a plane or something else. If it's a UFO, I'm out of here. Like for if the light, like the lightning, like strikes, then we can see what it looks like. Come on, just wanna see what it is. If the light gets too bright, we can see what it is right there. Interesting. Nah, it's gone already. Alright, something else. I didn't really see that much. What else?
The moth. I saw the moth was flying. It's like...
Yeah, I was trying to find a place to like hide at. There's like a lot of animals. Lucky freaking my freaking lizards are not outside. Oh, dead.
No, that would be scary.
And my snakes. Wait, did I turn off my lizard? Oh yeah, I turned off my lizard light because you have to be asleep. That's not them. See? Oh yeah, I'm out. Oh. Yeah, I didn't get to see what it is. Wait, so they're driving Grandpa's truck. So not right.
Yeah, that's scary.
Yeah, it's scary. I can't believe that was Mom. It happened over there.
Yeah.
Dude, it feels weird. What?
It's still flying.
No, but that's weird. You heard the noise of like it crushed something. Probably crushed a car or something.
Yeah, I can hear it.
It probably strike lightning crew. Oh, look, there's a moth. He's hiding.
No one. I think it's not a good idea. Oh shit. That got me spooked. That's pretty good.
Mm.
Hi.
Who was that? You heard that? You heard that noise? Like,
It's kind of spooky out here.
holy! It's moving.
There goes Mom and Dad.
Mom and Dad.